I'm a director at Arup, and the particular thing that I'm interested in is the built environment and particularly sustainability. I think the biggest challenge that I face as a climate control engineer is making people comfortable, making people productive, but also doing it with the minimum energy use and therefore being most efficient. The sort of projects that I really enjoy working on are arts and culture projects, and the thing that excites me is being able to make efficient and elegant buildings. There's a lot of reasons why I'm proud to work in Arup and have been for a long time. I think that in Arup we bring together many different disciplines that add a different flavour to the way we look at design. To think also of the whole project, not simply the bit that we bring. Here at the V&A I was involved in setting the original strategy for the climate control of the medieval and Renaissance galleries. The V&A is particularly interesting because it's much more difficult to create the right sort of climate efficiently in an existing building. What I try to do is to change as little as possible and allow the natural forces of the building to keep the climate stable. Being made a fellow for me is a huge honour, and it's something that I see as a recognition of the work that I've done, and it's also a platform that will enable me to share some of that with others. One of the things that I want to inspire young engineers to do is to be creative, to think about the integration of design, and to be able to bring all of these things together to make a better product. I think the future is all about engineering. Without engineers, we don't have any cities. And the challenge is to make these more efficient, more suitable for living in, and to be wonderful, exciting places. I hope that Arup will be the one that leads the charge into the sustainable future, that leads our clients into thinking carefully about our use of resources, and creates an infrastructure that means that that will happen. Many of our projects have really benefited the clients because they have been elegant projects, they have been seminal projects, they've been projects that have landed on the front cover of numerous magazines, and this is what we can give to the client, something they're really proud of and something that will stand the test of time. Of course, that is sustainable design, something that will still be here in 50 or 100 years.